This Montreal business owner recently held a big sale of her locally made clothing. The goal, she told customers in this video, was to pay off the federal government loan she got at the height of the pandemic.
Is it something that's been weighing on you?
Yeah, for all year. I was thinking about it, like, what's my plan?
The sale helped raise about half the amount she needs. With the repayment deadline just weeks away, she's trying to figure out the rest.
I was calling my bank, like, to see what could I do and what they can do for me.
Hers is one of 900,000 businesses that took out federal government-backed loans to stay afloat during the pandemic, up to $60,000, $20,000 of which would be forgiven, but only if the other $40,000 is repaid by the January deadline.
At least a third of them say that they don't have the money.
The government did extend the original December 31st deadline, but only to January 18th. Ottawa says businesses in the midst of refinancing can have until the end of March to repay.
And that's when they're going to lose the forgivable portion, and many are saying they may lose their business.
Along with the pandemic, this gym owner says businesses are dealing with inflation and higher interest rates.
We need a little bit more time because everything post-pandemic has changed. I've never dealt with stress like this before in my life. Like, you put everything into your business and then it can be taken away from you.
While many businesses have been able to repay, others are turning to the bank.
They don't necessarily have a solution right now. Try to see with us if we can lend the money. Sometimes it's a yes, sometimes it's a no.
Marilyn Barry got a bank loan, but with a 12.7% interest rate.
It's a lot in interest for me, but I didn't have the choice.
She still hopes to find another way to pay the original loan instead. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.